Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about the use of genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified pigs' role in the medicines. Production of pharmaceuticals, that is human hemoglobin in blood of pigs for treating trauma patients. Organs for xenotransplantation into humans. Let me talk about xenotransplantation. Xenotransplantation is a type of transplantation which is done within different species. That is, from other organ taken from other species and transplanted into humans. Development of models for human diseases. Now, role in agriculture. Genetic modification cause resistance to diseases, altering the carcass composition, improving pigs' resistance to heat stress, and protecting environment. Pigs given spinach genes. World's first two genetically engineered mammals to contain DNA from plants. It produces pork that is healthier. Normal pigs produces less fat than normal, less fat intake. It is confirmed that the first time in the world that a plant gene is functioning properly in a living mammal, not in cultured cells. Pigs given spinach gene experiment. Inserting the spinach gene into a fertilized pig egg implanted in a female pig's womb, and FAD2 genes converted about a fifth saturated fatty acids into linolenic acid. Advantages of pigs. Physiology and size. Raised in pathogen-free condition, less chance to transmit infectious diseases to human, have fewer ethical issues as donor, short generation interval, that is 114 days, and genome is quite similar to human, that is 3x times than mouse. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक चीज़ मैं आपको क्लियर कर दूँ कि एक्सपेरिमेंटल एनिमल्स जितने भी लिए जाते हैं वो उनमें कुछ ना कुछ सिमिलैरिटी ह्यूमन के साथ देख के फिर उनके ऊपर रिसर्च की जाती है, ताकि कितने ऐसे फीचर्स हैं, कितने ऐसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो कि डेवलप किए जाते हैं उन एनिमल मॉडल के अंदर, और कितनी फिर उनकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है ह्यूमन के अंदर. Here, taking pig as an example is not that we are directly using pig or we are directly using pork, but this was actually an experiment performed to see different consequences of genetic modifications. Goat that produce spider silk. Two key genes that allow a spider to weave their silk inserted into their genetic code that produce milk that contains spider silk proteins. Proteins are then harvested through the goat's milk. Goats are separated into two groups, each contains one of the two proteins. Proteins must be extracted and combined. Goat that produce spider silk. Stronger than steel and more flexible, used to replace damaged tendons and ligaments and store damaged eyes or even nerves. Make stronger and safer parachute for soldiers, bulletproof vests. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये बताया गया है कि जो सिल्क प्रोड्यूस होती है, यानी कि जो स्पाइडर सिल्क प्रोड्यूस होती है गोट से, उसमें कौन कौन सी उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं दैट आर रिलेटेड टू जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड प्रोड्यूस्ड स्पाइडर सिल्क बाय गोट. तो उसमें ये सारी हमने पढ़ ली हैं कि स्ट्रॉन्गर भी है, फ्लेक्सिबल भी है, और डैमेज्ड जो टेंडन्स और लिगामेंट्स हैं उनको रिप्लेस करने के लिए भी यूज़ की जा सकती है, और स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड सेफर पैराशूट बनाने के लिए भी, या फिर बुलेट प्रूफ वेस्ट बनाने के लिए भी यूज़ की जा सकती है. सिल्क फ्रॉम मिल्क. Goats are milked. Milk is frozen and the cream is separated. Thawed milk is pushed into a microfilter that blocks the larger fat molecule and lets the smaller proteins through. A smaller filter then further isolate the silk proteins. When dried, look like a white powder. This is actually the process how the silk from milk was actually obtained. The challenge: how they take a powder and spin it into a fiber like a spider does. The two proteins are combined into a solution, transformed into microfibers using wet spinning fiber production methodologies. Biosteel biopolymer had been transformed into nanofibers and nanomeshes using spinning technique. Ways GMO toxicity affects animals, plants, and soils. There are different ways in which toxicity of genetically modified organisms may directly affect the animals and plants and soil. That is genetically modified. That is toxicity of genetically modified organism may cause cancer, may damage native species, pollute the environment, deplete soil minerals, destroy beneficial bacteria, superweeds and superbugs, and cause infertility, stillbirths, and miscarriages. As you all know that there are certain types of advantages and disadvantages related to different techniques and methods. किसी भी मेथडोलॉजी के या प्रोसेस के अगर एडवांटेजेस हैं तो देर आर सर्टन डिसएडवांटेजेस रेडिली रिलेटेड टू दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ मेथडोलॉजी. तो ये कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं जो कि जीएमओ की टॉक्सिसिटी से रिलेटेड हैं, जो कि अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं एनिमल्स को, प्लांट्स को और सॉइल को. लैब एनिमल्स टेस्टेड विद जीएम फूड्स: stunted growth, impaired immune system, bleeding stomach, impaired blood cell development, misshapen cell structures in the liver, pancreas, and testicles, altered gene expression and cell metabolism. Their offspring have a lower growth rate. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये बताया गया कि अब जो जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फूड्स हैं आपके पास, वो डायरेक्टली मार्केट में ह्यूमन की कंजम्पशन के लिए नहीं आ जाते, बल्कि उनको पहले लैब एनिमल के ऊपर टेस्ट किया जाता है. तो जिन लैब एनिमल्स के ऊपर जीएम फूड को टेस्ट किया गया, उनके साथ जो है वो ये जितने भी फीचर्स यहाँ पे बताए गए हैं, जिस तरह स्टंटेड ग्रोथ है, इम्यून सिस्टम इम्पेयर्ड है या ब्लीडिंग स्टमक है, और बहुत सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो बताए हैं, ये बेसिकली दीज आर रिलेटेड डिसएडवांटेजेस टू जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फूड. चांसेस ऑफ सर्वाइवल कम हो जाते हैं. हायर ब्लड शुगर, इनलार्ज्ड लिवर, पैनक्रियास, inflamed kidneys, less developed brains and testicles, intestine, reduced digestive enzymes. The animal's lifespan are shortened and inflamed lungs, tissues. मतलब ये सारे features जो हैं, possibly these are the bad effects of genetically modified food on lab animals. Adverse effect of GMOs. Already 37 people have died from side effects, 1,500 partially paralyzed, 5,000 were temporarily handicapped by chemicals used in harvesting. Glyphosate caused malfunctioning in frog and chicken embryos, malformation of the head, increased death rates and higher offspring mortality. यानी कि ये जो adverse effects हैं हमारे पास genetically modified organisms के, they have also been seen. तो ये भी एक disadvantages में आ जाता है आपके पास. Here this lesson is ended. In the coming lessons we will talk about the remaining content of this course. Thank you.